Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Central Bank. Central Bank is the banking system of a country. It supervises and controls all other banks. It also manages and controls the monetary system. Central banks are established in all financially developed countries. They are known by different names in different countries. Role of Central Bank. The Central Bank controls the monetary and banking system of the country. The state enforces its economic policy through Central Bank. In India, Reserve Bank of India performs the role of Central Bank. The Reserve Bank of India was set up in 1935. In 1945, RBI was nationalized. Functions of Central Bank. Currency control. The Central Bank has the sole authority to issue notes which circulates as legal tender money. Token coins and small change manufactured in government means are put into circulation through the Central Bank. The Central Bank has the power to issue new currency as per monetary policy of the country and is the sole controlling authority of control of currency in India. Of course, 1 rupee note is issued by Government of India. Lending policy. The volume of credit money depends on the lending policy of the commercial banks. The Central Bank can influence the lending policies of banks by direct and indirect methods. As direct methods of control, Central Bank can fix the margin requirements of different types of loan known as selective credit control. It can give instructions to private banks regarding loans and advances and regarding the securities to be kept. Through indirect methods of control, Central Bank controls the cash reserve ratio through variation of bank rate, open market operation and various of the other reserve ratios. Bankers Bank. All the banks are needed to have accounts with the Central Bank and to keep with it a certain percentage of their deposits. The Central Bank is the custodian of the banking reserves of the country. It safeguards the national gold stock. It also lends money to the other banks when required by rediscounting first-class bills of exchange and against the security of government promissory notes and approved commercial papers. The Central Bank is the lender of last resort. In the time of urgency, commercial banks go to Central Bank for money. Banker of Government. Government balances are kept with it and gives short-term loans to government. The Central Bank also manages the public debt. RBI makes advances to central and state government repayable within 90 days from the date of advance. Foreign exchange. Central Bank is responsible to take suitable measures to maintain the stability of external value of country's currency, the rate of foreign exchange. Under managed paper currencies, the Central Bank has charge of the foreign exchange reserves and exchange control operations. It acts as custodian of nation's gold and foreign exchange rate. Government's financial advisor. Central Bank acts as a financial advisor to the government. It advises the government on formulation and implementation and execution of general policies regarding financial and monetary affairs matters. The Committee of Capital Account Convertibility, set up by Reserve Bank of India, was headed by S.S. Tarapuri. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook, email us.